Haggard na ako ngayon. It was just a little, ano. It was a little step. Wow! Ang ganda.
Oh yes, beautiful view.
Yun siguro. Kagaya siya ng temp.
The celosia flowers.
I was wondering if we could see this because we were looking at this on YouTube a couple of days ago. Yes, and that's the Little Indian. I mean, Amsterdam.
Little Amsterdam, yes.
Yes. Yeah, I was wondering if we could see this, and it's a nice view. It's
Yeah.
a park here laid up there.
Up there, the hand.
Oh, okay.
The other hand. Saan mo? Pero maganda rin. Maganda, sige po. You don't like to take pictures?
I might.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check niyo po muna. Baka hindi niyo po gusto. Sige po.
Where are you going? You see that?
Ano naman to? Sirao. Sirao, Cebu.
You sit there, ganyan, no?
Sirao Flower Garden.
Take a picture, okay?
So, let's see. Tingin tayo
1.
ng konti dito.
Look at me.
Wala siyang isda.
1,
Ay, makatakot naman.
2. Look at me. Look at me.
Para masarap magpa-picture dito.
Smile, I, ja. You smile. You smile. Yo, what do you want pa?
Sirao Garden. O, diba? Opya. Alam mo, kakalive ko talaga, mahuhulog ako dito. Manabo ko pag kakalive ko. Oh. Okay guys, dahil trip da na kay Kenny, alibot da na kayo. Pa-picture ko, paane? Pa-dan kaya, paane? Oh.
Thank you.
Bye guys!